Happy Monday. I am so excited to see you. I wish I could see you guys face to face and see you more, but I'm here with my little friend. He's so cozy and cuddly. And I brought him with me today because I do really think, and I know this is cheesy, but today is going to be a whale of a good time, okay? Because today you're going to be taking what you know about science fiction and applying it in a really silly, fun way in a little bit of writing, okay? So come along, let's walk through what we're going to do. The first thing you're going to do is realign yourself with what is science fiction, okay? And the way you're going to do that is you're going to go through here and highlight the words that you think fall into the science fiction genre. So do that first, okay? Then here's an example. So what they did in this example is they took the holiday fun, silly comedy of Elf and they flipped it. They flipped the genre characteristics for a thriller. So the music is different. The action is different. What involves him and the motivation is different because the genre is different. It's a thriller. So I placed that video in there for you so you can check it out. It's great. Now let's put it into play. I already started this for you just a little bit, but you can use whatever you want. I thought with using this, it would be fun if you took a story that is a classic, like Little Red Riding Hood or The Three Little Pigs or something like that, and then you take that and flip it to science fiction. So I kind of started it a little bit. I'm going to delete all of that though for you, and you can start fresh because everyone has kind of different backgrounds. So here we go. This is just my idea. So I put the somebody is Little Red Riding Hood. What did she want? To visit her grandma, but, and I'm going to change this a little bit, a stormtrooper. But a stormtrooper jumped onto her path, right? Remember the stormtroopers from like Star Wars and they're working for like the galaxy and stuff. So then you can say, okay, so a stormtrooper jumped on her path. So then what does she do? So I think it would be, I mean, you can make this really funny too. So she pulled a lightsaber out of her basket. And then what happened? Did they have like a huge lightsaber sword fight? You know, did he have like a different like laser gun? I mean, you guys can get crazy about it. So if you don't know yet, because you can change it when you're actually typing it in and making it kind of a summary of the story, I'll show you. So we'll just put lightsaber fight. So I think that would be hilarious. I mean, maybe they had a lightsaber fight because, you know, those are like this glowing electric energy. Maybe like they started a forest fire and like the little pigs came out. I mean, I think that would be hysterical. So then here, what you would do is you would just quickly write your own version of the story. Remember to add, you know, those action words, your verbs and your adverbs to describe your adjectives or describing what's happening. You can place dialogue to make it more fun. I think you guys are going to have a really good time with it. It's very short and sweet. Then something cool you can do is a visual board. It's like, it shows you in your mind through pictures what your story was about. So I just typed in lightsaber. Let me go back. My bad. I just typed in lightsaber anyways, and you can just right click and place lightsaber inside of there. You could do, let me open up a new window. You could do Little Red Riding Hood images, right? Because it's just like so darn easy to put it in there. If you guys, you know what is like totally silly? I was thinking about some of you guys. You guys could even do like is it La Llorona? Because that's super scary, and you could change something that's super scary to something that's super sci-fi, which I think would be hilarious. And really weird. That, you guys, just thinking about that kind of stuff is just expanding your mind and your thinking, and that's all that I want. It doesn't have to be perfect and amazing, but something that's new. You need to see this because you're going to be doing this every single day. So something that's different isn't that you're reading every day. You're reading every day. What is different is that now we're going to be tracking it in a new and good way. Okay. So what I want you to do is make sure that you're reading for 10 minutes a day, and then you're going to fill out a really rad form. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It looks like this. There's an additional video. Now, what you'll see in the video also is that all 3 ELA teachers are listed. So just click me, click on the class period, and the question they're only going to ask you is, what is the title of the book? What page of the book did you stop reading upon? And what was the most interesting part of your book today, or what stood out to you the most? That's it. And then they send it, okay? So same thing every single day. That will be your exit ticket daily, all right? If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Tutorials, again, are at 11 to 12:15. I'm sending you big warm hugs, and I hope you guys have a spectacular Monday. I